Hey there! In today's video, we're going to explore 5 foods that are fantastic for promoting healthier eyes. Taking care of our vision is crucial, and these eye-friendly foods can make a real difference. Let's jump right into it. 1. Carrots. Carrots. Loaded with vitamin A, they do wonders for our night vision and overall eye health. 2. Spinach. Spinach. Bursting with lutein and zeaxanthin, these antioxidants shield our eyes from harm and reduce the risk of eye diseases. 3. Salmon. Salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, it keeps our eyes moist and guards against dry eyes. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Rich in beta-carotene, they work wonders for our vision. 5. Blueberries. Blueberries. With their anthocyanins, they improve night vision and protect our eyes from strain. Conclusion: 5 amazing foods to support healthier eyes. Remember to include them in your diet for a brighter and clearer future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Take care of your eyes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.